Cars Crash Course. Lightning McQueen zoomed around Radiator Springs Speedway, the town's fancy new racetrack. These days, the race car spent most of his time teaching at the newly opened, fabulous Hudson Hornet Academy. But between classes, Lightning loved driving laps. "Is that the best you can do, kid?" asked Doc Hudson. Before Lightning could answer, Marta pulled up from behind. He was gleefully driving backward. "Better watch out. I'm right on your tail," he yelled. Not far away, Chick Hicks was running his own academy for sly, sneaky cars. Chick liked to show off in front of his students. He dazzled them with his special style of racing, also known as the 3 C's: cheat, cheat, and cheat. Chick's star student was a devious steel gray car named Switcher. Chick had taught him everything he knew. Both racing academies wanted to prove they were the best, so everyone was excited when the Raceorama competition was announced. The competition had 4 races in 4 different locations. Racers from academies all over the country would be participating. But Lightning knew the real competition would be between Doc's and Chick's schools. "This will be great publicity for the academy," said Doc. "Especially when we beat Chick," Lightning added. The first race was a head-to-head battle, 2 cars versus 2 cars. When Chick learned that Lightning and Meta would be a team, he couldn't wait to sign up with Switcher. Chick wanted to make sure he'd race to victory, so he got a bigger engine to match his massive mean streak. He also trained Switcher daily, making sure his star student was in prime shape to be his partner in the race. "You call that speed?" Chick yelled. "My Grandma Hicks can drive faster than you." Switcher narrowed his eyes and accelerated, hitting 150 miles per hour in no time. The day of the race soon arrived. Excitement filled the air at Radiator Springs Speedway. Meta, Lightning, Chick, and Switcher approached the starting line. Switcher looked at Lightning and Meta. "That's our competition," he said loudly to Chick. "I could beat them with my eyes closed." "Oh, you'll have your eyes closed, because you'll be crying when I leave you in the dust," said Lightning. Before Switcher could respond, the green flag waved, and the race began. The cars took off. They each had to complete 100 laps. Lightning immediately took the lead, but Switcher and Chick were on his bumper. In fact, Chick rammed right into the back of Lightning. "Get out of my way," Chick growled. "Gladly," replied Lightning, smiling. Firing up his new turbo boost, he whooshed ahead. Chick snarled. "Go get him," he told Switcher. Switcher grinned wickedly. "With pleasure." Using his own turbo boost, Switcher caught up to Lightning. "What took you so long?" Lightning joked. Switcher wasn't in the mood to laugh. He was, however, in the mood to cheat. Pulling ahead of Lightning, Switcher released a stream of oil behind him. Lightning's tires skidded through the oil. He slid uncontrollably down the racetrack and was forced to slam on his brakes. Chick pulled alongside Switcher. "Did you see that? No one can stop me," Switcher boasted. "See you at the finish line." And with that, he sped ahead of Chick. Chick's eyes narrowed. He'd had enough of Switcher's attitude. If that tin can thinks he's taking first place, he's in for a surprise. Bam! Chick rammed right into Switcher. "It's time you learned your place," he said. Switcher flipped over the track. He finally came to a stop in the infield, smoke pouring from his hood. "I'm on your team," he yelled. "Not anymore," Chick replied, accelerating. Lightning and Mater pulled into the pit area. Guido, Sarge, and Luigi changed their tires and filled up the cars with gas. "I can't believe Chick did that to his own teammate," Lightning said. "I think it's time to give him a taste of his own fuel." "You mean like Chick's 3 C's?" said Doc. "No, I think it's time to put our own Plan C into action," Lightning answered. "What's Plan C?" asked Mater. "No time to explain," Doc said. "Just follow my instructions." After the pit stop, the cars roared back onto the track. There were only 5 laps left. Immediately, Doc gave Mater the instructions he needed. Mater began weaving back and forth in front of Chick. Every time Chick tried to get ahead, Mater blocked his path. "Stop it, you hunk of junk!" Chick yelled. "Oh, shucks, flattery will get you nowhere," said Mater with a smile. Doc instructed Lightning to move forward on the inside track. Lightning raced across the finish line. "No!" yelled Chick. On the award podium, Doc congratulated Lightning and Mater on winning the Silver Tailfin Trophy. "Great job, team," said Doc. "Plan C worked really well." "What's the C stand for?" asked Mater. "Cooperation," Doc explained. "Fancy gadgets and upgrades are great, but they can't compete against good old cooperation. And it's way better than Chick's 3 C's," Lightning said. Doc, Mater, and Lightning smiled for the cameras. Their first Raceorama win felt great.